Now, I might have jumped ahead a bit and started cutting before I talked about what we're doing here. Sorry. We're starting on the bench that's going to go right here. So this is our general plan here. The section that I've started on is this 5-foot piece that will go right up into the corner and butt in there. Next, there's going to be this 8-foot section that'll go beside it under the window. And then there's this slightly larger section out here that's going to jut out 30 inches. The rest of this table is only about 2 feet deep. This was going to be my sit-down area where I have the shop computer over here. Inlay area. Over here is going to be various power tools like sanders, my grinder, my scroll saw. Focusing on this first section here, one of the first things that I did is I held up that back 2x4 and aligned it with the studs. Now, I could have measured this out 16 inches on center. However, these studs aren't super accurate, so I lined it up with the actual studs and marked out where my lag screws have to be. So then I was able to align my support cross members so that none of them directly interfered with the stud mount.
Subscribe on this video.
I saw you there. Now this bench isn't finished. This is all just slapped together. This toolbox isn't going to be here. I don't even have a keyboard plugged into this computer yet. All of these are just kind of sitting here for the moment. I have to actually figure out which one's gonna go where, but it's functional. And oh, I can't believe that we're getting to this point. This is fantastic. Now, while it's not finished, I did think this would be a good natural stopping point for this video. There's a lot of little fiddly things that I'm probably not going to film because I get into a flow state and just start doing things, and I don't always remember to grab the camera. But there's a lot more to come. I'm going to be doing some drywall taping, which I am pretty terrible at, so that might be funny for you. Ah, this is so cool. And I'll see you next time as we continue whatever the next phase is going to be. Got to figure out where things are going to go. Wood storage, bandsaw, planer, future joiner, hand tool bench. We're just getting started.